Okay, today we are going to show you how to download our Libby app, which is how you will borrow ebooks and or audiobooks. So first, you will go to your App Store or your Google Play Store. At the very top in the search bar, you will type in Libby. Once that pops up, you will touch the download and then open. It will walk you through a series of questions, which is pretty basic. Here, it's asking if you have a library card. You will select yes. If you have this on another device, you can copy. If not, you will select, I'll search for a library. Go ahead and search by Covington's zip code. Select the Ohio Digital Library, J.R. Clark Public Library. And within the Ohio Digital Library, you will again have to choose a location. This will pull up alphabetized order of all the libraries. You will need to scroll through until you find J.R. Clark Public Library. Once you find it, you will touch J.R. Clark Public Library. Here you will enter your card number. If you have your physical card, it is on the back. If you do not have your card and you do not know your number, please call the library and we will assist you. Now you will enter your PIN. Again, if you do not know your PIN, please call the library and we will be happy to give it to you. This just shows you that you are signed in and you see your card, and you will now push next. Here is the home screen for Libby. At the very top, you will see the magnifying glass. You can search for a specific book. You can search for an author. We are going to search Nicholas Sparks. You will touch their name and it will bring up all of the books that is within Libby. You can scroll to find whichever one you want. Off to the side, you will see that it will either say borrow or place hold. You will touch borrow. It will pop your card up and you will touch borrow again. This will begin to download the book. Once the book is fully downloaded, you can open book and you will just begin to swipe like you are turning the pages of a book. You can go back to your shelf. You borrow books on a 21-day loan basis. These books are automatically returned after the 21 days. You do not have to return these. There are no late fees. If you are not finished with the book and it gets automatically returned, you can just go back to the library, search the book, and borrow again. Under your Manage Loan, if you are finished, as you can see off to the side, it tells you one person is waiting. You can go ahead and return early. We are going to go back to shelf, and then we're going to go back to the library and search for another book. At the top, again at the magnifying glass, we are going to search for Lost by James Patterson. You will touch the title. It pulls it up, and as you can see, it is not available because it says place hold. You can touch the place hold and again select place hold. It will keep this on your card on hold, and once it's available to read, Libby will notify you.